Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Victoria on YouTube. Today I'm here on Bima Road. This committee road. This is not Bima Road. Bima, I don't know what actually Bima. Bima is refers to a building or something. I don't know. But this is committee. This is committee road. I've been here before. It's not the first time for me to come here. I've been here before. Hello sister. Nauza nini mayai? Sasa unajua mimi saa hii na shoot na hii video. Una record nini? Hii video ya YouTube. Saa hii kama ni kukulipa ndakulipa na hii. Sasa nikikula ndakulipa namna gani? Unless ni kuinterview then nikule. Sasa niseme hivi. Si unasema biashara yako vipi? Nini imekufanya ukaanza hii biashara? What is your motivation? How long you have been doing it? What are the challenges? Is it okay? Like kitu kama hiyo naongea. Ni kitu poa, watu wengi sana nimeongeleza wengi. Numberless. Kwa kina mama, yani all types of people. Inaweza kukusaidia wewe pia hata kama maybe unatosheka na hii kitu unafanya ama unataka kitu kingine. Yeah guys, I'm speaking Swahili. I'm not pointing the camera to. Yeah guys, I'm talking to a sister here by the roadside who's selling smoky. Hii ndio wanaita smoky, si ndio? So guys, so kama unataka tupige interview, hao unaogopa, inaweza kukusaidia. Hata mtu akuita 5 star uende kufanya hii kazi. Unafikiri ni mchezo? Hii kitu ni powerful. Kimesaidia watu wengi sana. Hata jana, yesterday, nyumba iliingiwa maji hapo ndani. Hiyo video iko na star sign yangu. Na naona already wamerepair huko, wakaweka mchanga na kila kitu. Because they saw this. So si kitu mbaya, usiogope. Sasa wewe toa majina hapa kuongea. Sema wewe ni nani? Biashara yako umeanzaje, changamoto ama unapitia hapa ama kitu kama hiyo. Guys, I'm speaking Swahili to somebody. I'm not going to turn the camera to her unless she agrees. Sasa alafu si ati challenges biashara. Nini likufanya mpaka ukakuja kufanya hii kazi hapa? This is Swahili guys, I'm speaking Swahili. I'm gonna speak in English. Nini likufanya mpaka ukaanzisha hii kazi? Vitu kama hizo na vipi vile sasa unafanya, unaona ni okay ama ni nini? I mean, unaona uendelea ama upate kitu kingine ya kufanya? Vitu kama hizo ndio unaongelea. Waambie. Wewe waambie basi. Waambie kwa Kizungu hiyo kitu umesema. Actually, she's saying that she prefers to be self-employed. She doesn't like to be employed. That's why she started the job she's doing right now. She's selling smoky. It's called smoky in Swahili. Smoky na mayai. Smoky ni hiyo sausage.
Sausage na smoky ni tofauti.
Sasa hii unauza ni nini?
Hii smoky na.
Now let me turn the camera and show you what she calls smoky. That's what she's selling. Yeah, you can see right here.
Smoky.
This is smoky she's selling, and then she's selling eggs. Tutakuuliza prices and so on. So how do you source these things? Unazitoa wapi? Ama unazipata? Najua mayai, najua mahali unaweza toa. You can buy them from the wholesale place.
But smoky bado kuna specific place.
Specific. Unaongea Kizungu alafu unasema ati ongea Kizungu. Wewe sema halo, fanya hivi. Sema hai. Sasa hii smoky hiyo najua unatoka kwa farmers choice. Now is it okay? Are you finding it okay? This business, how long have you been doing it?
Kwa sasa niko na kama
wiki tatu
sasa.
So she has been doing this business for the last 3 weeks. And how do you find it? Na unaipata na ndani.
Simba. Biashara pia nataka mtu aone moyo.
Uko na nini? Oh, okay. She's saying that she has to persevere, you know, it's just new and she needs the time to decide whether it's worth doing it or not. That's what she's saying. And so far, vile ulianza, does it maintain you, your expenses and so on? Maintain?
Iko sawa kabisa.
Iko sawa?
Nasimamia hata
Okay. She says that it generates enough for her maintenance, like food, na nini, chakula na nini. Ati nini? Yeah, for food in the house. I think wewe unakaa mama, so uko na watoto. So inawa maintain nyinyi kama mzee pia anafanya yake. Okay. Alafu mnako nini? Yeah, unasaidiana. Yeah, guys, I'm speaking Swahili. She doesn't know English, so I have to translate. So I'm asking her whether this job is maintaining her properly. I mean, is she getting enough? She says it's enough. She has kids. It's enough to get for herself, for the kids, and also the husband is also having. Same. Okay, the husband is doing the same thing. So they put it together and it's enough to cover for the family na marents na kila kitu.
Tunafikiria kuongeza meza kwenye chakula.
Okay, she intending to extend, I mean to increase stock to something else, to create a variety, like for example, make chapatis beside what she's selling right here. Na makasoma wako ni hao watu tu wanapita hapo kwa street. Our customers they're just the pedestrians walk. These people who are walking, we are seeing, who are walking up and down. These are the customers. Hata wagari sometimes wanasimamisha wananunua wanaenda. The people also, even the ones who are flying on the motorists, they can stop here and buy and go their way. That's good. Na sasa wewe, how did you get the capital ya kuanzisha hii? Ulipataje pesa ya kuanzisha hii? Eh? Oh, before this you were employed. Okay. Okay. So ukaanzisha hii. So in other words, you got money from where you are working and then invested in this business. And that was 3 weeks ago, which means you have been working very recently, right?
4 years.
You were working for 4 years and then you got tired. Unajiona hapo? And you got tired.
Sasa hiyo nimesema nimefika mwisho wa kuajiriwa.
Okay. That's a very good spirit. I mean, I like it. To be self-employed. You know, you are your own boss. Saa zile una decide, when you decide to rest, una rest. Una employer anakuambia mbona ukuja kazi leo. Hakuna employer yako kufire or something like that. He never fired you from job or she. Ni wewe uliacha tu hivyo. Oh yeah. And what if I may ask, guys, this is a very interesting interview I'm having here. If I may ask, which job were you doing before? For club. Oh, okay. I understand that one. That can be very stressful. That one I agree with you. That can be very stressful. Na incidents ikatokea huko kaona wachana naye. Potelea.
Actually niliacha na mimi nimetafuta sana nirudi.
Wanataka urudi huko. Okay. Which means you are very good Okay. Hiyo sita reveal. Ni reveal.
Haina shida.
Actually, she told me she was working a club before, but she decided for 4 years. So she decided to forsake because she was tired. And those people, it's not that they fired her, it's her wish. She just decided to leave. And she can, even if she wants to go back, she can go back. So ukatoka huko, wanakutafuta kwa nini sasa? Hawezi pata mtu mwingine. They cannot get another person.
Kupata mtu wa kula.
Oh, now I see. Because you are not, you don't drink, you don't do. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I get. Sober. Oh, okay. So I understand. Yeah, it's not easy to get somebody like that. Your club is where area hapa? Where is that? Membri. Where you were working before. Okay. Now, so let me ask you one question. Sijui kama unaonekana. Sasa hapa, you don't get any disturbance from MCD and these people around. They don't disturb you.
Actually nilikuamua kufanya kazi ya club. Na kanjo niongelesha. Naambia nisimamia hapa ndio nisikuze na shule.
This is school behind you.
Aliingia kwa shule. Naongea na hao. Lakini mara kwanza ilikuwa ngumu sana.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. How can you put this thing right here? Najua, I know mambo ya ganjo na everything I know. Na nimeongea na watu kama wewe wengi sana, the other side of Kamai Road. Hata wananiambia siwezi taja hapa. Because hapo inaweza kuwa sensitive.
Sasa naomba kama nisaidia. Tuko na shida nayo. Hiyo hotpot hiyo ya chakula.
Nini hiyo?
Hotpot ya chakula.
Oh, you want to buy that thing which makes chapatis, hot pot. Oh, okay. So are you asking somebody to help you to invest? Then you speak in English. Actually, the sister here is asking you guys who are watching this video, if you can help her get that fine, but the one they used to make chapatis. What's the name of it? Hot pot. So that she can make chapatis, then she'll create a variety, not only to sell smoky and eggs, but also have something else like chapatis here. So if any of you watching this video feels touched by a story, your story is okay. It doesn't look like you are suffering or anything. So why would somebody want to help you? No. Let me tell you, kama unataka kusaidishi, you come clean. Usifiche kitu chochote. That's how people get help. So just care watu wagonjwa. You just come clean. You say this is my life, this is where I am, just where I started this thing. This ndio ina touch mtu. Hiyo story yako ina touch somebody. Alafu sasa utakufa nazo. Yeah, you have to show this is my problem and the guys I need help. So somebody sees your story, some touch, anaanza kusaidia. Si ati hivyo. Sasa if that's the case, everybody will ask for help. So you have to be clean. I mean, if you have to be serious. So you say, what is your story? What is your really story? Just give your story. The story is what sells. I mean, the idea that you want help. You cannot just tell people, help me. Who are you? You understand? Yeah, they have to know you properly. You really need help. So then they will help you. That's why I told a story come on. This is a moment for you to give your story. So what really makes, what's majina ulisema? Ama utaki majina pia ijulikane?
Yeah?
Maria. What is your story? Can you give your story? And give a real story, not fake. Don't fake it. Yeah, you just give your story. How did you get yourself here? And how are you finding life in general? You wake up here, watu wamejinyonga. No. So you just give your story. You don't hide anything. Somebody will touch somebody somewhere, even in America. I make a video here. Nilitengeneza video ngine ya mama moja ya samaki. Somebody from New York commented. This thing goes everywhere. It's not here in Kenya only. Guys, I'm talking to you in Swahili. I'm sorry. I'm trying to convince the sister here to give her story the way it is. No sugarcoating, nothing. Just the way it is. And probably it is. She said the story is. How is it? I'll give it to Mariam. Give your story here. Don't hide your story. Don't hide. You can hide it. Say it. How is it? How is your story? What is it? Are you ukuna mzee? That's number one. Una mzee? Because I'm wondering how unaweza kuwa na mzee ukuja hapa. Sasa huyo lakini watoto uko nao uko na mtoto mmoja. So actually Sister Mariam here, she's not married yet, but she has one kid. Male or female? Msichana. Her age 5 years old. She has one kid, 5 years old. She's unmarried. That's how she finds herself doing this job. Sasa, okay. So from this job you have to raise rent. and make mapato food and everything for your one kid. So let me ask you, how long do you stay here? From morning, what time up to evening? What time? Are you serious? You stay up to usiku? And where is your baby now at that time? Umemwacha na uko na sister huko? Okay, Mariam. So this is a story. Mariam, guys, is not married. She has a single kid, a lady, a girl who's 5 years old, and she has to fend for the kid. This is her only means of survival. This is the only way she earns the living. This is where she gets money from to feed herself and feed the kid and pay rent. So I don't think you generate that much. You generate that much to pay rent. How much do you pay rent?
35.
Hey, man, some things, you know, I find it hard to believe. I mean,
sasa niache kwa shajipanga. Ndio niache kazi, shajipanga na rent.
Ulikuwa unafanya nini?
Nishajipanga ni na rent.
Oh, okay.
Kabla kazi.
Okay. Now, before she stopped working, she had taken care of her rents. Actually, she is paying 3,500, which means she has not been able right now to raise money from here to pay her rents. But about rent, when she was working, she had taken care of that. This is just for food. Now, what do you think? I mean, how long will you pay in advance? Tuseme mwezi moja, miezi miwili. 3 months. She paid 3 months in advance for her rent. And you hope that this business, from the way you are seeing, you see that this business can be able to sustain you. Guys, what she's saying is that if she increases her business and sell chapati beside what she's selling here, smoky and eggs, she'll be able to survive on this business. Okay, so now, what are your future plans? You're going to stick here for how long? Until God helps you in another way. I mean, business ama kazi ingine ama utaki kazi? Okay, it's funny. I never found somebody like this. She doesn't want to be employed, self-employed. So she's saying that if God helps her, she can either change the business or find another business, better business. But right now, this is a business she's doing. And how did you get these things? Ulinunua wapi hizi? How did you source this? Ama ni hapa chini? Hapa chini. Kuna mahali naona wanauza vitu. Oh, you bought it from Ruiru. This must be around 3,500 to 4,000. 12,000. You are not serious. 12,000. The entire. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it's true. Oh, okay. It's high tech, guys. Look, here she just puts the charcoal there, and then inapata moto here too. It's high tech. She got it for 12,000. So here, I'm praying for you to recover that money and get profit. So, kuna relatives wako hapa around, and you support them also. Wao ndio wanakusupport. By the way, Miriam, that sounds coastal. Kudu wapi? Mombasa ndio nilisomea. Oh, you are Taita. My brother, sitaki kuongea hapo. Ameoa from the same place. Hiyo vile unasema Taita Taveta. Okay, you are from Taita Taveta. What Taita ni high school there, my high school, entire high school. Okay. And what else can I ask you? Now you came to Nairobi, how? From Taita? Anaishi. Okay, so actually I don't. She's from Taita. There's no problem me mentioning that. Taita Taveta, and she came to Nairobi through her cousin. Amuko pamoja sasa hivi. Akusaidia chochote? Okay. Ni msichana au msichana? You don't look happy. Hata vile nakuinterview hivi. You don't look like you are happy. Unajua unaweza weka hiyo face for the world.
Yule mtu anaweza kuwa na shida na usikie.
Si ndio hiyo mimi naona, mimi already naona uko na shida. That's
Kuna shida na siku.
uko nayo.
Unaona tu niko na furaha. Nini?
Yeah, you have to wear the mask, you know, the face outside. Ukiona watu kama hao unapita siku. Naweza kuwa na hiyo face world, but inside it's a different face. So here in this place, this is called Bima Road. What do you call this place? This place is Kamiti Road. Bima Road ni gani?
Bima Road ile
Here that side, eh? The watu wana. Okay, yeah, actually she got a customer. Yeah guys, this is now we are in Kamiti Road. You can see the traffic filing there. It's a little bit of traffic jam. Yes, there's a lot of activities here. There's are shops over there. This road goes to bypass, and this one goes to Githurai and all beyond to the CBD. There are actually two ways you can go to the CBD. You can go to CBD means Central Business District, Nairobi, the capital city, the center. You can go through here. Also go through here. So there's a lot of traffic. These are all matatus here. Matatu are public transport vehicles. This is called Sacco. Samsung Sacco, that one over there. Pickups, all mix of everything. The road is this much, not so big. And I can show you the drainage. Drainage is okay here. Drainage looks perfect. There's no problem with drainage. This is a pedestrian. Here we also have a pedestrian walk, which is good. Yeah, guys, I don't know what is creating traffic jam there. Oh, there's a tractor there. It seems there's a problem there. Some repair work going on at the other side. So, yeah, we're waiting for Miriam. So she's serving a customer. Then we can finish our story, guys. Then we move down to where I was going. Yeah. So this is the way it is here. It's getting hot. I'm also taking shelter, guys, under this umbrella here. I mean, I cannot raise it. Let me raise it up a bit. You can see this one right here. Yeah, let me see. Are we still recording? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's wait a bit. Let her finish what she's doing. And that's the way it looks down there. I've been seeing this guy lying here. I think it's not normal. First, before there was that one there. Now there's another one. Now there are two. Maybe sooner or later they're gonna be three. They are homeless, but I think they are not normal. They are not normal. So there's a famous one here. You can hear just the sounds of the matatus and the music. Matatus and music. Heavy stuff. Thika Road, Christian school. Yeah. It gets hot here. It gets hot. Yeah, guys. So we are waiting for Miriam to finish with our customer, and then we will proceed with this interview, which we are doing. Yeah, guys. I like to hold my camera with my left hand because I'm not very sure that it's entirely safe here. Yeah, guys, Victor here once again from my Thika Road. This is not really Kamiti Road, sorry. I confuse these roads, you know. Yeah. Let me show you the road. Because the interview na yeye si. Hata wewe unasema lakini sasa hiyo unakula nini?
What is it about?
It's YouTube. It's YouTube. I'm doing a podcast here. Sasa sijui kama utaendelea ama ukoaje kwa nini sasa?
Oh, bado kuna maswali.
Wewe ndio sasa nataka utoe manamba zako hapa sawa kama jambo lika reach you. Sawa. So umemaliza kila kitu. Guys, we still have time. Let Miriam finish first, and then probably I'm not gonna go far from here. I think I want this to be purely a podcast. I want to increase doing other stuff in the street. Yeah, guys. Sasa Miriam, before it's too late, give your contacts. hiyo story yako imeingia, sijui kama imeingia sawa kabisa. Toa contact zako ndio mtu sasa anaanza kureach. Your contacts, mtu atakureach aje sasa kama anataka kukusaidia na hiyo hot umehitaji hot hiyo kitu ya kutengeneza chapo.
Hotpot.
Hotpot. So give your contacts so somebody can reach you. You have a story. I think you have not given it all. That's my feeling. Now we're gonna very serious story, but tujaitoa. Hadi na kuaffect. Ndefu. Hiyo story yako ndio tunataka ndio ndio itakuuza sasa kwa watu wala atakusaidia. Hebu sema give your contacts. Sema clearly, slowly so that somebody can get it.
Number.
She's giving her phone numbers, guys. If you want to help her, you can reach her on that number.
0118 25 5029.
29. Yeah. Can you repeat it very slowly?
0118 25 5029.
Yeah, she has given her phone numbers, guys. If you want to help her, you can reach her on those numbers. And where are you found? Unaweza kuambia kama mtu anataka kukuona hapa.
Napatikana tu hapa West KBS.
She's found here in KBS Car West, where she has a mobile shop. Hii ni mobile shop, ndio. Where she's selling smoky and eggs. And she intends to expand her business and sell chapatis and what else? Only chapatis. Sasa wewe angalia vile sasa vile hotpot si hiyo kitu ya kutengeneza chapo.
Hotpot ni ukipika chapo unaweka ndani.
Oh. Okay, actually I confused. She's saying hotpot where she can keep the chapatis when she bakes them, when she kneading and when she prepares them, so that they remain hot for the customers. So that's what how much does it cost?
5,000 shillings.
So it costs 5,000 shillings. Guys, I will not keep her long because she has customers who are coming. So, okay, Miriam, hope somebody will help you. Sawa. Naonana maybe nikipita hivi. Okay, so. Yeah, guys, so we are through the interview. She's actually busy. It's lunchtime now. A few minutes from now, let's move slightly down. You can see the vehicles because it's rush time. It's lunchtime. So the road is busy right now. Yeah, the drainage looks perfect. The drainage looks okay. Yeah, guys, this is Victoria once again. I was doing a podcast with Miriam there. I'm asking her how she started her business selling smoky and the eggs. Maybe I'll buy one egg from her. Okay, I promise I'll buy something after the interview, guys. Let me go and buy one egg. So I'll come back on that place soon. I buy. Yeah, guys. So, guys, we are on this Kamiti road. You can see the traffic jam. There's a lot of businesses here. Yeah. So there's a school van over there, and it has blocked the road. It's stuck there. The traffic. We can't go further from there until the traffic eases. Yeah. So guys, I think I want to end this video here because I did a podcast to Miriam. I promised I'll buy an egg from her so that I promote her business. So let me go back and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay tuned, remain tuned to my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Yeah. This is Victoria from Car West Nairobi. Bye-bye on this. Bye. See you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel as I bring you more episodes, guys. Yeah, bye.